You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, and we'll be looking at how to say more vocabulary in English and tree names and plant names too. Arborist is how it's said in British English, arborist. Now in American English it's rather said as arborist. You skip pretty much the second syllable in American English, arborist, while in British English you do pronounce the second syllable a little more, always a stress on the first, arborist. It's easy, and now you know. Let me know in the comments if you got it and if it's useful. Like this video if it was. Thanks for your support, more videos for you here to learn more. See you there, thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.